If you're planning to start a business in Ohio, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Ohio even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in Ohio? Well, for one, you have asset protection. That means if your business faces lawsuits, debts, or financial obligations, your personal assets like your home, car, and savings are generally protected. And of course, you have tax advantages. This helps business owners avoid the double taxation that traditional corporations often face, making taxes simpler and potentially more cost efficient. And of course, you have operational flexibility. Compared to corporations, LLCs usually have fewer compliance requirements and less paperwork, allowing you to focus more on growing your business and less on formalities. After that is choosing a name for your Ohio LLC. You want to make sure that your business name must be unique and distinguishable from other business registered in Ohio. It must include LLC, L.L.C. Ltd, or Limited. Now, you need to avoid using restricted words like bank, attorney, insurance, trust, bank, government, or bureau unless your business holds the necessary licenses and meets specific legal requirements. Now, if you have a business name in mind and you want to check the availability, all I have to do is very simple. Go to the Ohio Secretary of State's business search, enter your desired business name. Now, if there is no matching results, that means the name is available and good to go. And if you are not ready to file yet, Ohio allows you to receive a business name for a small fee. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Next is we need to choose a statutory agent, or also known as registered agent. Now, this person or company receives all the legal documents and official mail on behalf of your LLC. The agent must have a physical address in Ohio. Let me tell you that PO boxes are not allowed and must be available during normal business hours. Now, if you wanted to be your own registered agent, you can do that provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. But what we highly suggest is to hire a formation service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience, because they will handle all the paperwork for you. Now it's time to officially form your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization. Now, this can be done two ways. Number one option is filing by mail, which is kind of a slower option, and what we highly suggest is to file it online. All I have to do is very simple. Okay, so you go to the Ohio Business Filings Portal. The current filing fee is $99 and there is a payable upon submission. Now, you need to provide your LLC name, principal business address, registered agent information, and whether your LLC will be managed by members or managers. Now, it typically processes around like a few business days, allowing for a swift start to your business. And ensure all the forms must be completed with correct information. Now, let's talk about creating an operating agreement. Even though an operating agreement is not legally required for LLCs in Ohio, it's still highly recommended, especially if you want to run your business the right way from day one. because an operating agreement clearly defines how your LLC is structured. All right, it outlines who manages the business, the role of each member, and the rights and how profits or losses are distributed. Of course, here you also have the ability to prevent disputes by having everything written down and agreed upon early. You avoid confusion and disagreements as your business grows. And it provides operational clarity because it serves as a roadmap from day-to-day operations and major decision making, ensuring everything your LLCs run smoothly and professionally. Next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Once your Ohio LLC is officially formed, the next important step is to register for taxes and licenses. Now, this ensures your business stays compliant and avoids penalties down the road. Okay, so all I have to do is very simple. From here, you just have to go to the official website of Ohio Business Gateway and go to the Department of Taxation. Now, most tax registrations can be completed online in just a few minutes, and then you need to make sure to determine which tax accounts you need. Not every business needs the same tax accounts, so pay close attention here. So you may need to register for sales tax if you sell taxable goods or services, maybe an employer withholding tax if you plan to hire employees, or maybe a commercial activity tax if your business earns above Ohio's revenue threshold. The Ohio Business Gateway will guide you through selecting the correct tax accounts based on your business activities. And of course, finally, you need to obtain a local and professional licenses. Depending on your location and industry, your business may require additional local or professional licenses. So you can apply all of these on the Ohio Business Gateway or directly through your local county or government offices. Once your tax registrations and licenses are complete, your Ohio LLC will be fully set up and ready to operate legally. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Ohio. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC, and of course, the total cost before payment. Now think of this as your checkout overview. The company section collects the basic details about your business. It includes the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, and of course, the business address. Now, this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, in terms of the management section, this is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, or a manager manage, which means a manager that you hired runs the business for you. Now, if you are not sure what management type to choose, just click the question mark icon, because this helps you determine who has the authority to make decisions for the LLC. Now, if you want to add names of members or managers, you can do so. Don't worry, because Northwest keeps this information private. Now, if you want to add some services like tax ID, S corporation, premium mail service, you can do that. However, if you want to skip all these, you can do that if you prefer to handle them yourself. Now, the account section is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details, because once you've done that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, view scanned mail, and legal notices. Now, the final step where you complete your order is the payment section. You can review the credit or debit card details, the total cost, and of course, the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to register an LLC in Ohio, which is one of the most straightforward and affordable business formation processes in the US. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.